So finally for this one, well, as we discussed, asymptote will be maintained on the gradient function. And we can see there's a minimum point just there. So it seems to be just a little bit to the right of the axis. So from there, the gradient is positive. And that means it's going to be above the axis. And not only is it positive, but it's getting very large and positive. So it's going to go right up here. Gradient is negative here. And it's never very large. It's quite a flat gradient. It seems to be steeper there and then getting less steep. So it seems that this is going to go down to a maximum negative and then curl back up towards the axis like so, as the gradient flattens off and heads towards 0. On the left, the gradient is negative, very large and negative, so a long way below the axis, close to the asymptote, and then coming close to 0. So that side is going to go like that.